Hey everybody, if you have had rain or other water leak into your car on the passenger side of your 2005 to 2012 Mustang, I'm going to show you how to stop that from happening. So what happens is there's a drain from where the water from the windshield and everything goes down through the cowl, and there's supposed to be a drain that lets all the water out, but it gets clogged up. Let me see if I can get the camera on there. It's kind of down in this spot right here. You'll reach your hand down. Let's see if I can find it. Give me just a second. All right, so I've got the light on, my camera right there. It is right there where my finger is. You're just gonna stick your finger on that and kind of pull it, and I bet there's a bunch of crap inside it. But what also you can do is get a Phillips head screwdriver, and we'll take off these two clips, and then we can access it directly from the top. All right, the two clips are off, and so now we can just maneuver this thing. It has a split, so it splits from the driver's side right here. I think we'll just kind of wobble this back and forth, and this is also where you're going to access your cabin filter. So let's see, might have to move the hood, or yeah, the hood just a little bit to be able to wiggle this thing out, but we'll see. Kind of just wiggling it back and forth right now. It's stuck right here. So yeah, just lower your hood, have somebody help you, and then you should be able to get this out. Give me just a second, I'll get this off, and then we will look down in that area behind the cowl. All right, that piece is removed, and I can already see this cabin filter is gross. Let's look down here, see what we see. That is standing water. Do you guys see that? Standing water. So what I'm gonna do is reach down here and get this drain unclogged, because yeah, you don't want standing water in your car. It might be hard to see, but there's water dripping out of this drain. I'm just sticking my finger into the drain trying to get all this crap out of it. Can you hear it? Yeah, there we go. It's crazy. See if we can see it coming out. Yeah, just look at all that junk down there. This is gross. So yeah, that's why it backs up and goes into your passenger compartment. So what I'm gonna do is get my vacuum here in a second and just go down there and vacuum all that out. While I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the cabin filter. There we go. Dude, this thing is waterlogged and heavy. That is gross. So we're gonna replace that. I mean, look at this. Previous owner couldn't be bothered to do this easy job. See, when I see something wrong, I always look to see how I can fix it. I just think it's crazy how lazy some people are to where they can't be bothered to do something that's really only taken 5 minutes so far. So basically, when this area fills up with debris and water and all that, it has nowhere to go, so it goes into your car through the cabin filter. So that's why this thing is all soaked. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to vacuum and try to get the rest of this junk out of here. And then what I'll probably do then is just slowly pour a little bit of water on this end to get the debris, like the rest of it, out that didn't come up with the vacuum cleaner. And I'll hold the drain open at the bottom. So pretty simple, but I'll do that real quick, and hopefully we can get this thing all the way clean. All right, might be hard to see, but I got the channel here all cleaned out. Well, there's one little leaf there, so I'll reach in and get that. I took out the little plug too. It's just a little rubber piece that goes down through the top, and you can just pull it right out. So I'll put that back in. I'll get this little leaf out real quick, but other than that, it looks nice and clean down here. And then I'll run over and grab myself a new cabin air filter. I'm not gonna put that junk back in there because that is gross. So yeah, pretty easy job. And that should stop all the moisture from pulling up down here. Let's see if this is still wet. Oh yeah. Can you hear it? It's crazy. I mean, you can see mold right there. So we just got this thing. So forgive me, I haven't done all the little jobs on it yet. But that should stop the moisture from coming in right there. So pretty happy about that. Look at all this leaves and crap I got out. And that was before I even vacuumed. So yeah, let's get the last leaf out, get that plug put in, and we should be good to go.